As a woman in my 40s, I've used quite a few different pairs of tweezers over the years, but Germanicure sent me these slanted tweezers to test out. Now, I was really excited about these because of everything that I had reviewed about them, the way that they closed, the way that they would be able to grab the hairs, and the fact that it was made out of that German steel. Right out of the case, the build felt really noticeably better than what I'm used to. They're just the right size. They're not tiny and they're not flimsy, but they're not giant and awkward. They feel balanced in your hand. The slanted tip grips hairs precisely so you aren't tugging or poking around blindly. Now, as you can tell, this is actually pulling the hairs from the root. The fact that this is made in Germany, a place known for quality edge tools, gives me confidence that it isn't just marketing. You can feel the difference in the metal and the alignment of the tip. The slant is sharp, but not sharp in a scary way. It's more like exactly where I want it to be. I also really like the leather case. It sounds small, but it matters. I toss these in my bathroom drawer, my travel bag, or even my makeup pouch, and the case keeps those tips enclosed, so no accidental bending or poking through other stuff. It's one of those little tools you don't think about really until you use it, and then you're like, wow, why was I struggling with that old pair for so long? I mean, just look at this. This was amazing to me. I really liked the grip of it, the feel of it, and I would definitely recommend these to anyone who is looking for a new pair of tweezers to use.